Wednesday, October 23, 2024 at 12:30 o'clock in the morning. We start our journey from Bandung to Pandeglang for 5 to 6 hours. When the Subaha Azan sounded, we stopped for a moment at the Pandeglang Grand Mosque to pray. I was amazed to see the beauty of the mosque. We continue our journey back, then stop at the second stop to shower, change clothes, and have breakfast together. I really enjoyed this breakfast because this was my first meal since last night. It doesn't feel like the sun has appeared. We hurriedly continue our journey to our first destination, namely PLTU Labuan. Here, we explain how to produce electricity from the steam power and the production location as explained by Kang Gali. However, unfortunately, we are not allowed to document internal activity because of their operational rules and standard. But we can explain the electricity produced by PLTU Labuan is distributed to all power plants in West Java. It is not surprising to see that coal is the basic material for electricity. Not from coal directly, but from steam cooking coal with seawater that has been demineralized or had its mineral content removed. Still in the same place, next we explain how to make paving blocks, bricks, and embankments from burning waste or what is usually called faba, or fly ash and bottom ash. For the method, we gotta explain how to make it. First, the faba is filtered until the grains are like sand, and it comes from waste in the form of gravel, but we use it fine, like a sand. Then mix it in a mixer machine while mixing the cement and the faba. This tool is kind of conveyor that transports coal from unloaded ships, which are used to distribute the cement and the faba mixture that enters here. Then it is printed using a paving block mold, then dried. Moving to our next destination, we visit the house of one of our friends, Dimas. We had a lot of banquets. I really enjoy here, especially the shells. Wow, that's the thing I miss most about this trip. Having had enough rest, we continue our journey to Lembur Mangrove Patikan. Here, we practice mangrove cultivation, which turns out there are many types and some can grow by themselves. After this interesting experience, we rush to our resting place, namely Chamara Homestay. There it is next to the beach, so we were chasing time to get the sunset. And as a result, we got a sunset that was as beautiful as the moment we spent on this trip together. After being tired from doing activities all day, night finally arrived. While having dinner, we were explained about the rundown for tomorrow. We were warned to get up early because we had to catch the sunrise on the boat, so that when we arrived at Pajang Island, we could see the rainers looking for food. Yes, it's a shame. Some of our friends woke up late. So when we left the homestay, the sun was already starting to show itself. Finally, we arrived at the pier. Here, we will board the ship for approximately 3 hours. At first, I was worried, but seeing a view as beautiful as this, that feeling disappeared. After a 3-hour boat trip, we arrived at Pajang Island. To enter Pajang Island, we have to use a small boat to cross the sea. This is what the wilderness on Pajang Island look like. Sorry for the camera shake. You can see how difficult the road is. When I walk, I was too afraid to drop my camera. And this is the place where the rhinos usually gather. Yes, according to the warning at the beginning, now we are too late to see the rhinos. All you can find here is a dirt. But here, there is also a unique tree called the down tree. This is one of the oldest trees here. After walking around, we decided to continue our journey to other island. Look how beautiful this island. I feel very grateful that I can visit here. Can see firsthand God's creation is. This is just a small part of His creation. We spend our time here, having fun, joking around, playing in the sand. This is our precious moment. Our journey is not over yet. One of our last destinations was Kiara Tree, a big tree that looks sturdy. However, originally the Kiara tree was starting to become fragile. All the stems surrounding it are parasitic plants. Something unexpected happened. I met a deer. Not just one, it was 2 deer. I feel lucky for the umpteenth time. Now, we have returned to the ship to say goodbye to the impressive island. Accompanied by the beautiful sunset was the closing story of our journey.